Hello students, I hope you are good, well and fine. Today we will be continuing our discussion on topic polynomials. In previous class we discussed identities and we discussed exercise and examples based on those identities. Now let's move or dive deep into our topic and see what do we mean by factors of a polynomial. So here, if a polynomial fx can be written as a product of two or more other polynomials such as f1, f2, f3 and so on depending on the polynomial, then each of the polynomials f1, f2 is called a factor of polynomial fx. For example, if you see that, if you recall that a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b, a square plus b square minus plus a b. So this was the identity we learned, and if you recall that a cube minus b cube is a product of a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. Then here my polynomial, if we say that this is my some number x, and this is my polynomial must be in x, so this say a constant number, say b, so it is just b. So now x minus, just I am replacing a by x. Okay, now this is my polynomial, a polynomial in x. Okay, and this is my cubic polynomial because the degree is 3. Okay, because degree is equals to 3. Okay, and if you see from the perspective of terms, it got only two terms, that means it is a binomial. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now a polynomial in terms of x is this. I take this as my polynomial, as a cubic polynomial, x cube minus b cube. B is some any real number which is equals to, we know using the identity, x minus b, x square plus b square plus bx, and we know, and if we can do polynomial fx, or write a polynomial fx as a product of two other polynomials. Say this is also my polynomial f1, I am naming it f1, and product with, say, this polynomial as f2. So this polynomial f1 is this and this polynomial f2 is this. So I written down my polynomial, a cubic polynomial, into the product of two polynomial, and one polynomial is linear, if you see, because the highest power of x is 1 and here is the highest power of x is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial. I hope this is clear. So then I will say that if this is the case, then this f1 and f2 are my factors of the polynomial fx. So my polynomial fx factors are f1 and f2. I hope this is very clear to you. If you make analogies from factors of number, for example 10 has factors 2, 5, etc., because 2 divides 5, 2 divides 10 exactly. Okay, and similarly 5 divides 10 exactly. Okay, I hope this is clear. So similarly, if you see that my fx is written down as a product of two another polynomials, if you see that, this means this is equals to my fx if divided by one of the one of the, say, polynomial, or the one of the factor. Okay, so for example this, then my result will be just x square plus b square plus bx. So if you see this will get cancelled out, because this is in numerator. My polynomial is equals to this, and this common term, we know this is my common term, this x minus b and x minus b. Then I will only left with x square plus b square plus bx. I hope this concept of factors of a polynomial is now clear to you. Okay, let's move next. Let's see factorization by making a trinomial a perfect square. So let's see an example of factorization, or by making a perfect square. We know this is there are three terms in my given expression. So this means it is a trinomial. And if you see that let's see what I mean, that 81 is 9 square, a b c, this equals to this term. Yes, now this 8 say 8 square, or a this whole square is equals to this one, because 8 times 8 is 64, and a cube times a cube power 2 is 6, and b power 2 is b square. In the similar manner, I can write it down the last term as like this. The let's say 144, I can write it down as, say uh, let's 144 is equals to 12 square. I hope this is clear, but I have to make something combination of both of them. Okay, because if you try to see what is 9 times 8, 72, and 2 times 72, what it equals to, it is 144. So I'm not writing it as like this, but instead of it I'm writing 144 as product of three numbers, and those numbers are 2, 9 and 8. And I know the a power 4 can be written as a times a cube. Okay, a times a cube. Now 2 times 8 times 9, and this b square can be written down as b times bc. So what this will do, if you recall, if this is my a, this is my a, and this is my b, b is equals to say b is equals to 8a cube b, and a is equals to 9abc. Then a plus b whole square will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here if you try to see that the minus sign is coming here, sorry, this will be plus. Then we will be using the another identity which is for this a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This means if you put a as this and b as this, what you will get? You will get the same thing, or this, or say this. So this means this whole term is equals to just a minus b, which is a is my 9abc and b is my 8a cube b. Then it will become this whole, so ab whole square. So this whole trinomial is now just my in terms of square, perfect square, it is just this. I hope that this clears you the identities as well as. Okay, so how we used our identity, how we took our a as 9abc and b as 8a cube b in order to make an identity out of it, we need to take our terms as follows so that we can create a perfect square. Okay, I hope this all are very clear to you. So we left to this. So just take a and b be common from each of the terms. So taking a and b common, so we have a b c 9 c minus 8 a square, and then the whole square over. Then taking again ab out of the square, I will get ab square, and this will be again rewritten as a square b square, and thus the last step is this. Okay, I hope that this clears the concept more. Let's see another example. So here our expression is given like this, and let's see how we are going to solve it further. So our one perfect square is given. We know this will become 3 whole square. Then this will become, if you see, if I will take this as my a, then this is my a, and this can be broken down into what? This can be broken down into say 2 times a b, 2 times a, if you see a this, and a as this, and b as 3. So let's take 3 as my b. If you now make sense out of it, so a is equals to 3a 1 upon b whole square, and b taking as a 3, then my a minus b whole square will equals to a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. And what is my a? A is my 3a 1 by b whole square, plus b is my just 3, so 3 square minus 2 times 2 times 3a minus 1 by b times 3, and this will give me here the 6. Okay, here 6, and this will turn into 9, and this is remains just untouched. So this as the question given to me, so I can rewrite this whole terms in short in like this. Okay, I hope this is clear. So I just wrote it like here. So a minus b. So a was my this and b was just this. I hope this is clear. Now what? Now 3a minus 1 by b minus 3. Okay. Now 3a minus 1 by b minus 3 is also present over here. So take the common term out. So inside we will only left with 3a minus 1 by b minus 3. Okay, 3a minus 1 by b minus, so this will be our minus, so plus 1 by b because of so let me make it more clear. Okay, so taking this 3a minus 1 by this term common, so we will left with 3a minus 1 by b minus 3, and with this term over there, so plus c plus 1 by b minus 2a. Okay, now 3a minus 2a will be just a. Okay, now 1 by b minus 1 by b plus 1 by b get cancelled because of the opposite sign. So we are only left with a plus c minus 3. So yes, indeed this was must be minus sign over here. So we only left with this term a plus c minus 3. Okay, I hope now this is clear to you. So sorry for this little error, but I have done here. I hope now there's no issue to understand the concept for the identities. Okay, as you saw, that we used this identity over and over, and also this identity is quite similar to this. Please do remember all the identities so that the questions can be easily handled. Okay, I hope you understood all the steps very clear. So let's move next. Let's we see the now factorization by using the formula for difference of two square. What do we mean by that? Which we know that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b product with a minus b. For example, a say 4 and 4 square minus 3 square. If you say what it is, the answer of it is just 16 minus 9, which is equals to 7. Okay, all we know is that 16 minus 7 is 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. Let's see what right side says. So a is our 4 and b is our 3, and a is our 4 minus b is our 3. We know that 4 plus 3 is 7. Multiply with 4 minus 3, which is 1, which is equals to 7. Indeed, that this holds, because this is an identity, and identity always be true. Okay, it is universal that identities make true statements. Okay, as we saw from an example, let's move, or we see that how we are going to use this specific identity. Let's see. So over here, if you see that two terms are given, so in these two terms, if you make sense, that 4 can be written as 2 square, and we know if a square b square, such if a square or b square is this, then I can rewrite it as like this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so what so then if you see that 4 is 2 square, then 2a plus 3b minus 4c whole square minus a minus 4b plus 5c bracket square. I hope this is clear to you. So bracket, don't confuse with brackets and squares. Okay, now what I can do, I'm going to apply this. So on applying this onto this, so I will get 2 times 2a plus 3b minus 4c. Okay, this bracket get closed here, this red bracket get closed here, the orange bracket closed over here, then the whole square will be there. Now a minus of just it remains the same. So a minus 4b plus 5c. I hope this is clear. Now what, just distribute, or using the distributive law, I multiply it first with 2a, then with 3b, and then with minus 4c. Then I will get my final will be what, 4a plus 6b minus 8c whole square minus a minus 4b plus 5c whole square. Now taking this as my capital A and this as my capital B, using the formula, for what formula I am talking about? I am talking about a square minus b square, which is a plus b product with a minus b. Okay, so as you see, this is a square minus b square. A is my 4a plus 6b minus 8c. 4a plus 6b minus 8c. This is my capital A. And b is my, what is my b? A minus 4b plus 5c. A minus 4b plus 5c. So let's just put our value in this here form. So my final answer would be 4a plus 6b minus 8c minus, sorry, plus a minus 4b plus 5c. For this a plus b is equals to this. So let me more simplify it further. So 4a plus a will be 5a. 6b minus 4b, sorry, the b will be small, so it will be plus 2b, and minus 8c plus 5c will become minus 3c. So a plus b will be this. Now let's calculate for a minus b. Okay, now a minus b will look like a minus b will be, so a is 4a plus 6b, this will be small b. Okay, so 4a plus 6b minus 8c minus, because a minus is there, I am using now brackets so you don't get confused. So bracket, now writing the value for b, which is a minus 4b plus 5c, bracket close, the red bracket get closed, and now the orange bracket get closed. Now what? Now if I remove this red bracket, then the sign of the terms inside will get changed. So here a is plus, then a will turn into negative. Here this is negative, it will turn into positive, and here it is positive here, then it will turn into negative. So let's just remove and change the signs. So first I remove this, now changing the sign, so plus to minus here, minus to plus here, plus to minus over here. Now just simplify it. So 4a minus a will give me just 3a. 6b plus 4b will give me 10b. And minus 8c minus 5c will give me 13 minus 13c. I hope this is clear. Now just this will be my factorized form. I hope this is clear to you. So let's see. Indeed, this is my factorized form. I hope you understood it very clearly. Okay, that how we factorized our given expression into just this. Okay, so we factorized it. Okay, let's move further. Let's see another example, and that's it for today. Let's see the final example. So factorize 4x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 9y square. So how we are going to do that? If you see, 4 can be rewritten as in previous as a 2 square. Okay, so I am hoping if you could make a sense of this, is quite easy. This is 2x whole square plus 1 by 2x whole square plus 2 times of 2x times 1 by 2x, which is equals to just 2 as written over here, minus 3y whole square. Okay, now what? Now this is my what? This is my a plus b whole square. What will be my a? A is this, and what will be my b? B is this. So 2x plus 1 by 2x whole square is replaced by just for these terms. Now minus 3y whole square. So now applying the a, taking this as capital A and this as capital B, we use a square minus b square formula, which is a minus b product with a plus b, or one can say a plus b product with a minus b. I hope this is clear. So let's see. So we arrived at this point. Now just adding these two terms, 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 3y product with 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 3y. Now this is my factorized form. I hope you understood it. And that's it for today. We will meet again next time. So I hope you enjoyed it and learned the approaches very clearly. So thank you for today. Thank you.